Welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk. In this video, we will talk about the impact of AI and robotics on manufacturing efficiency. As we delve into the world of AI and robotics, we can't help but notice the remarkable impact it has on manufacturing efficiency. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to learn from experience and perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. In manufacturing, AI can increase efficiency and reduce costs by automating processes and predicting maintenance needs. How AI and robotics improve manufacturing efficiency? AI and robotics have revolutionized manufacturing by increasing speed, precision, and productivity. They also reduce errors and costs significantly. The advantage of AI and robotics in manufacturing. AI and robotics improve manufacturing efficiency by increasing productivity, reducing errors, and automating repetitive tasks. They also save time and money. The challenges of implementing AI and robotics in manufacturing. Implementing AI and robotics in manufacturing can increase efficiency but requires significant investment and specialized expertise. Proper integration is key. Successful implementation of AI and robotics in manufacturing. AI and robotics streamline manufacturing processes, reduce errors, and increase production speed. Examples of successful implementation include BMW and GE. Future of manufacturing with AI and robotics. AI and robotics are transforming the manufacturing industry for the better. Automation improves efficiency, speed, and accuracy while reducing costs. The future of manufacturing lies in the integration of AI and robotics in the production processes. Thank you for listening and exploring the fascinating world of AI and robotics with us.